Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Graham cheesecake. First, let's get started on that delicious crust. You'll need about 1 1/2 cups of Graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter. Combine these ingredients thoroughly, then press the mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. Make sure it's an even layer, then set it aside while we prepare the filling. Now for the star of the show, the creamy cheesecake filling. In a large bowl, beat together 24 ounces of softened cream cheese with 1 cup of granulated sugar until smooth. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, add 3 large eggs, one at a time, mixing on low speed just until each egg is incorporated. Be careful not to overmix, as this can introduce too much air. Pour this luscious filling evenly over your prepared Graham cracker crust. Baking a cheesecake perfectly requires a little patience. Place your springform pan into a larger roasting pan. Carefully pour hot water into the roasting pan, reaching about 1 inch up the sides of the springform. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 60 to 70 minutes, or until the edges are set but the center still jiggles slightly. Turn off the oven, crack the door, and let it cool inside for 1 hour before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Then, chill for at least 4 hours. Once your cheesecake is thoroughly chilled, it's time for the grand reveal. Carefully run a thin knife around the edge of the pan before releasing the springform sides. You can garnish your beautiful creation with fresh berries, a drizzle of chocolate sauce, or a dollop of whipped cream. Slice it into generous portions and enjoy the rich, creamy texture. And hey, if you're looking for a great way to enjoy your favorite recipes or just relax with a good book, be sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other fantastic deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.